So once again we shall do the one we did it just now, 734 centimeters, that you have to find out how many meters and how many centimeters. 734, that is 700 centimeters. First 700 centimeters plus 34 centimeters. So you get 700 plus 34 is 734. So what you have to write is 700 centimeter plus 34 centimeters. That you have to find out how many meters and how many centimeters. So you write here 700 centimeter is 7 meter, and how many centimeters again? 34 centimeters. So when you convert, you get like this, 7 meters and 34 centimeters. I'll show you one more, okay? Now 800 centimeters is equal to how many meters? 800 centimeters equal to how many meters? 800 centimeters is equal to 8 meter, M. Next one, 617 centimeter. This you have to convert into meters. So 6 into 100, that is how many centimeters? 600 centimeters plus 17 centimeters. So 600 plus 17, you will get how much? 617, isn't it? This you don't have to do again, okay? So 600 centimeters is equal to 6 meters. 600 centimeters equal to 6 meters. And how many centimeters? 17 centimeters. This is for you to understand. I did it, okay? Now one more I will show you here. 1 minute. Now 543 centimeters. This you have to make it into meters and centimeters. So 500 centimeters is 5 meters. So what you will write here? This is 500 centimeter plus 43 centimeters. So this 500 centimeter is 5 meter. Okay? It is 5 meter and 43 centimeters. So when you convert, when you change, you will get it like this. This is meters. Okay. The other one before what we showed was centimeters. So now let's do that. Write in centimeters. 2 meters. How many centimeters? 2 meters. 2 into 100 is 200 centimeters. 2 into 100, that is how many centimeters? 200 centimeters. So 2 meters is equal to 200 centimeters. B. 3 meters. Easy, isn't it? 300 centimeters. Now 4 meters and 50 centimeters. 4 into 100 is 400 plus 50 centimeters. How much will get? 450 centimeters. So 4 meters and 50 centimeters. 4 meters, 4 into 100 is 400. Then what you have to do? 50 centimeters plus 50, you get 450 centimeters. Got it? 450 centimeters. Next one, D. 6 meters and 40 centimeters. How many meters? How many centimeters? Sorry. How many centimeters? 640 centimeters. 6 into 100 is 600 plus 40 centimeters, you get 640 centimeters. It's very easy. It's only just plus. Adding meters into, making meters into centimeters and then adding the centimeters. Okay. Next one. 7 meters and 70 centimeters. 7 into 100 is 700 plus 70, 770 70 centimeters. You got to write that, okay? Now 3 meters and 60 centimeters. So meters first you have to convert into centimeters. So 3 into 100 is 300. Then 60, you get 360 centimeters. Next one, write in meters. You have to write that in meters. Here it is given 500 centimeters. So 500 centimeters make how many meters? 500 centimeters make 5 meters. In 1 meter there are 100 centimeters. So in 2, 200, 3, 300. In 4 meters, 400, 5 meters, 500. So write that 5 meters. For meters you use small letter M. Second one, 300 centimeters. It's very easy, isn't it? 300 centimeters, how many meters are they? 3 meters. Now 232 centimeters, that you have to write it in meters and centimeters. 2 meters and 32 centimeters. 316, how many meters, how many centimeters? Yes, 3 meters and 16 centimeter. 415, how many meters, how many centimeters? When you hear 400 itself, you know that is 4 meter and 15 centimeter. Next one, 705 centimeters. In 700, how many meters? Yes, 7 meters and 5 centimeters. Now we shall come to the next page, that is a statement sum. Listen carefully, okay? Manisha is 148 centimeters tall. That means the length of that girl is 148. You won't say length for a person, you say tall, okay? Manisha is 148 centimeters tall. His sister is 16 centimeters taller than him. Sister is 16 centimeters taller than him. What is the height of his sister? So to find out the height, what you have to do? Yes, you have to add 148 plus 16. Okay? So you have to do it in the working column here. You have to write down 148. Now when you write the numbers, you should know the place value and write it. Now this is, I'm not taking the same number. Now I'm saying the height of this board. The height of this board is, say, 122 centimeters. 122 centimeters. Now the height of the pencil is 7 meters. Height of the pencil is 7 centimeters. Now that 7 should come here. You don't write it here. This is the place value of 100. This is the place value of 10. This is the place value of 1. So when you write, you have to write it in the correct place. Now when you add this, see, you have to write it in the correct place. 7 plus 2 is 9. This is only an example I am showing. Now there is nothing to add here. Bring that number down. Here also there is nothing. So 122 plus 7 is 129 centimeters. You should not forget to write if it is meters or centimeters. You should write that. If it is meters, you should write small letter M. And if it is centimeter, you should write small letter cm. So keep this in mind. Okay. So do that sums which is on page number 58. This is your home task. Alright. And then we shall meet you in the next class with kilograms, weight. Now we learned about centimeters and meters. In the next class we are going to learn kilos, kilograms, grams and kilograms. Okay. So be good and do your sums without making mistake. Write it in the proper place and place value please keep in mind, and according to that you should do it. Okay. So see you in the next class. Until then, take care.